What's up, guys? Just resting a little bit. It's hot. It's hot. You guys see the bird? I have a ton of those blue. I think they're blue jays. Ton of them around here. Okay, so good morning, kids. I am on my way to mow this lawn. Jesus. How bad this is. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see the difference, but this is already done. See that line in here where the lawnmower is? That's what I've done so far. Remember, this was covered with all that red stuff like that. Well, it's all green now. I'm exhausted, and I'm only done like not even half of the backyard. I'm so freaking tired. Oh. Hi, Mr. Turtle. It's so hard to mow the lawn when it's this, it's this bad. The lawnmower gets stuck. Yeah, it gets stuck and it's hard to do it.
Yeah, look. Come on, Fanny.
Oh, Jesus. In the jungle.
Not playing.
You're playing?
Yeah.
You guys enjoy your ice cream? It's good to have an ice cream on a hot day like this, huh?
Tastes like pudding. For me.
Ice cream. Ice cream.
Hot. But it's the good type of hot. It's not too hot. It's windy. Look at a bird.
Yeah, a lot of birds.
It's here bird.
Guess what, guys? I'm finally done with my backyard. The only thing that I need to do now is get the trimmer and fix all these corners, things like this. I just need to get the trimmer and fix this underneath here, but that's easy stuff. With the trimmer it's quicker. Here it is, the yard man. Good stuff. It is definitely a workout. And the girls are cleaning the garage. They're helping. Good, huh? They're helping with the garage. Are you helping clean the garage? No. What are you doing? Just playing? Okay, Andrea is now helping clean the garage. The other two girls are.
Replied with a sly smile. If you get your work done, and if you can find something suitable to wear, Cinderella had hoped to fix her old party dress, but Anastasia and Drusilla wanted